If you are looking for an air fryer in 2025 under 5000, then this is the video for you. Firstly, you need to decide what kind of air fryer you are looking for. So there are two types of air fryers that comes in the market. One is basket style air fryer and the other is dual basket air fryer. A basket style air fryer is useful for those people who are looking to replace frying with air fryer. For those people who are looking to fry smaller quantities or multiple items, a dual basket air fryer is useful for them. So while making a purchase of air fryer, you need to decide what size do you want. If you're a small family, a family of 2 or 3, then air fryer for 4 liter or less will be useful for you. And if you're a big family, you should go for 4 to 8 liter option in air fryers. After using and researching multiple air fryers in the past 1 year, I have selected these 5 air fryers that you can buy in 2025 under 5000. At number 5, we have the Pigeon Healthy Fry Digital Air Fryer. I have been personally using this for the past 2 to 3 years. MRP of this product is typically 6000 rupees, but you can get this for as low as 3000 rupees. This comes with a 4.2 liter non-stick basket. It comes with a powerful motor of 1200 watts, which is sufficient for a family of 2 to 3 people. It has 8 preset menus using which you can prepare French fries, pizzas and roast vegetables, etc. It comes with a 360-degree air circulation method which uses 95% less oil so that you can enjoy guilt-free indulgence. It has a digital display using which you can easily select the menus, modes, etc. It comes with a special defrost function using which you can quickly and safely thaw foods without any delay. It comes with a 2-year warranty, which is a good thing to have with such a low price. This product has close to 10,000 reviews with a 3.6 average rating on Amazon. At number 4, we have the Agaro Sapphire Digital Air Fryer for Home. It comes with a 4.5 liter basket size. It comes with a 1400 watt motor and it is priced around 8000 rupees. At the time of making this video, this product was available at 4000 rupees. It comes with a 360-degree air circulation which is helpful for making snacks and that uses 90% less oil. It comes with a digital display and touch control through which you can control the temperature from 80 to 200 degrees. This air fryer also is a convection oven, so apart from everything that you do in a normal air fryer, you can also bake in this air fryer. It comes with a 2-year warranty from Agaro. It has 4-star rating with more than 250 reviews on Amazon. At number 3, we have the Xiaomi Smart Air Fryer for 4 to 5 people. It has a powerful 1500 watt motor for fast cooking. It is priced at around 5000 rupees and this is the only smart air fryer in this list. It has 7 preset menus. Since this is a smart air fryer, you can control every feature sitting at your couch using a mobile phone. This air fryer offers a unique wide temperature range ranging from 40 to 200 degrees, which will help your food achieve a perfect brown golden finish. You get a 1-year warranty on this product and it has a 4.3-star rating with more than 650 reviews on Amazon. At number 2, we have the NutriCook Air Fryer Slim. It comes with a large 5 liter basket and it also features a see-through window through which you can watch your meals cook with perfection without opening the basket. It comes with a powerful motor of 1500 watts. At the time of making the video, the product was available at rupees 5000. It comes with a 2-year warranty and it has a rating of more than 4.5 stars, more than 750 reviews on Amazon. At number 1, we have the Inalsa Air Fryer for Home. In the entire list of air fryers that I've shared, this has the largest capacity of 5.5 liters and a powerful 1600 watt motors with smart air crisp technology. The brand claims this air fryer to be oil-free, with less than 99% of fat being used while cooking. With this fryer, you can make not just fries, but you can also make aloo tikkis, roast chicken, grilled vegetables, chocolate cakes, muffins, etc. It comes with a touchscreen with 8 preset functions. You can buy this air fryer for 4400 rupees and it comes with a 1-year warranty. If I talk about the ratings, it has about 4.2 stars rating with more than 5000 reviews on Amazon. So these were my top 5 recommendations for air fryers in 2025 under 5000 rupees. I hope you liked the video.